Want to know how to install and download the MoonPay app on Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Play Store on your Android, and once you've done that, here you should be seeing the source bar. Just simply select it, and now once you click the source bar on top, you should be directed to the source entry. So just simply type in MoonPay. Once you've typed in MoonPay, just simply select enter, and here you should be seeing MoonPay right here, which says buy crypto. So you can just simply install it, or you can just simply scroll down until you see some reviews and how the app works and its latest updates. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So as you can see, after clicking install, your download should begin, and after a while your download should be finished and you should be able to launch that. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.